That's a nice crappie right there. Look at that one. I mean, it's just a solid 10-incher, but pretty nice fish. There's a big school down here, and they're smoking it when I drop that thumper jig head down there in that Wild Willie's plastic wall bass. So here we go. Here's number 3. Fish there. Yep, there's another solid 10.5 inch fish right there. This way he's at least 10.5. That's a beautiful fish. Got that pill head choked right there. Man. He followed it and finally committed to it. Pretty awesome. Love it. Here, but I'm gonna keep this one. A little smaller fish. We're not going to keep this one. He might not even be 9, but he's pushing it. Bunch of fish down there.